So you can use your computer or TV and then signing into your YouTube TV account at tv.youtube.com. Then after you signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by going to the profile picture at the top right of your screen. And then you want to click on settings. At the settings membership, at the base plan, you want to make sure you are having this manage option instead add option. And then after that, you can go back to YouTube TV homepage by clicking on TV right here at the top left of your screen. Then at the homepage, you want to go to the search bar at the top right of your screen. And then you can just search for ESPN. And then here at the ESPN at network, you can just click on it. And then at the ESPN network, you can just scroll down and then try to find ESPNU. Here is ESPN, ESPN2, and then right here at ESPNU, you can just choose on any show that you want to watch using the smart TV. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch ESPNU on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.